What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So finally time to street test the Camaro. So just going back over the setup is a 4.8 liter LR4 on 3 single turbo kit, LS6 intake, T56 built rear end. It's a simple street car setup. Let's see what it does on the street. Now it also has some hard 888s on it. Just see how these things hook on the street. But that's it. Just gonna tune it, street drive it, see what it does, look for any issues, look for any problems, and that should really be it. If you guys enjoy, let's do it. So fast for a 4.8. You say it's
well, once it gets on, it's
yeah.
on, you know.
Second, that bitch is gone.
It feels good.
Second, that bitch is gone.
Yeah.
Like ridiculous amount?
Yeah. It's gutted. There's nothing in it. It's got a built 4.8 liter with a turbo in it. And it's getting. We've been doing pump gas tuning. Now it's the 85. All right, basic fuel.
Is it fast?
We just hit boost the first time with it, and it felt fast.
Yeah.